All right, so now to create an app, we have a button over here, create a new app. So let's give it a name, my first app. Okay, and then click on create. So it says my first app was created successfully. You can choose to open the app or you can right now cancel. Just have a look. So we have the my first app over here, and it's pretty neat. It's just created, the file size, the location, etc. You can choose to work on it, but we will come back to that later. For now, if I right click over this and click on publish, so you see it asks which stream you want to publish it to. So you can choose any of these streams over here. You can, let's say I continue to publish it to the ABC apps, and the app name is the my first app, and then I click on publish. So this app moves from my work folder to my published folder. Let's have a look at the published. And if I scroll down, I see where did it go? Yeah, here it is, my first app. Now this app is published. You cannot edit this app right now. Okay, you can open it, you can view it, but you cannot edit it. So if you want to maybe continue working on it, all you have to do is right click and duplicate this app. So once you duplicate this app, you go back to work and you see that my first app 1 is created under your work folder, so which is a duplicate copy of the my first app, but the my first app is still published, right? And if you want to continue working on it, you have to create a duplicate copy and then continue working on it from the work folder. And now you can open it, and that would open this app. You can start by uh, adding the data using the data manager or using the script editor. We will come back to this, but before that, a couple of more things. If you look at this my first app, you have two options over here, a pencil icon and a gear icon. Pencil icon would help you to change the name of the app. Let's say if you want to name it once again my first app, and you know put some description like text. You can choose to give it a thumbnail. You can choose it from a default thumbnail, maybe a sales chart, something like this. Insert, and it's done. And then you can click the right. Also, you can click on this gear icon to open some of the properties where you can enable or disable the insight capabilities, the appearance, the theme. The theme is pretty interesting. You can choose to, pick up one of these themes. You when you have a lot of visualizations, you would see the impact of changing the app themes. Pretty interesting, and I'll show you in the later part of this course what is another way to have some amazing themes all inbuilt right in your applications. And then you can also choose to have a background color, the sheet title. That's where I'm talking about the background color. It goes from where to where. Then also an image that would appear on the either on the end or the center or in the starting, and then the font color where you want the title to be appearing. Uh, so these are the changes that you can do to your appearance initial theme of your sheet, right? And this is what it looks like. Next section, what we will actually do is we will add the data. We will see there are two ways to add the data. We will see the data manager and we will see the data load editor. Once the data is added, you go ahead and create visualizations using this tab, analyze sheet, and then later you finish it by using the storytelling. So this is pretty much the summary of what's going to come up and how do you begin. You can go back to your open hub, and this is where you would go back to your QlikSense hub, or you always have those bookmarks ready in your browser. So we are all set to create my first app. You can hide this view by clicking here. It gets hidden and you all have the space right for your data load, visualization creation, and storytelling. All right, so this was the QlikSense Hub creation, and also what are the options available when you create a new app. How do you manage your work within streams? How do you publish apps? How do you continue working on your current apps and publish them, edit them, and publish them further? All right.